Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you how to unlock the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This will allow you to use it on any GSM carrier worldwide, and I've partnered with the unlocking company to show you how to do that. Now, the first thing we need in order to unlock the phone is we need the IMEI number, and the easiest way to get that is to go into the phone dialer, and then we're going to dial *#06#. And as soon as we hit the pound, it will pop up the IMEI number. So here's the IMEI number. Now we'll take this and go over to the unlockingcompany.com to put in the IMEI so we can get the phone unlocked. Now that we're at the unlockingcompany.com, we need to select our phone. So we'll select Samsung. Then we need to select the model. So we'll select the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So we'll select the phone and then we'll click Unlock Now. Next, we need to select the country we purchased it from. So we'll select the United States, but select the one that pertains to you. Then we'll select the carrier, AT&T, since it pertains to this phone, and then we'll click Next. On this screen, you'll see the actual cost to unlock the phone, and this can vary depending on the carrier or the device. And then you'll see the average delivery time of the unlocking code, and it's 1 to 48 hours, and this can vary. It can be longer. Usually it's very quick though. Now we need to enter the IMEI number that we got earlier, and then put in our name, our delivery email, and our phone number. Then we'll click Order Now. On this page, we'll put in our credit card information and our address for billing, and then we'll click Order Now. Then we can expect the code within 1 to 48 hours or a little bit longer or even less. It just depends on which device it is. So let's go ahead and put that unlocking code in. Once we've received our code from the unlockingcompany.com, we need to enter that code to permanently unlock the phone. So let's go ahead and power it down. Now, once we've powered down the phone, what we need to do is pop out the SIM card tray so we can put in the SIM card of choice. Now, I'm going to move over to T-Mobile, and what we'll do is we'll place the SIM card in. I've got my T-Mobile SIM card ready to go. We'll slide that into place, and then we'll boot the phone back up. Now that the phone is rebooted, here's where we're going to put in the SIM network unlock pin. And we need to be very careful when we do this. Now, this should be in the email you received from the unlocking company. And when we put this in place, just be careful because you only get 10 tries. After that 10th try, if it's incorrect, it permanently locks the phone. So just be careful when you type this in. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now that we have the number in place, what we need to do is hit unlock. So let's do that. And immediately we should see network unlock successful, and then it will go to the home screen. So now that we're at the home screen, we can make sure that we're not on Wi-Fi and we can test the network out. So you can see I've turned Wi-Fi off. I have LTE here. Let's check the network settings. And here you'll see it says T-Mobile. So we're good to go as far as that goes. Let's make sure we can get to a web page. And you'll see it immediately loaded my website. So it's working fine on mobile data. It's permanently unlocked. It cannot relock, and you'll be able to use it on any GSM carrier worldwide. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions though. And of course, I'll link the unlocking company in the description below so you can check it out yourself. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more of these videos as soon as they're released. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.